After rinsing off your turmeric, you're gonna get your cutting board and you can use a spoon to scrape your turmeric skin off. Get you a nice non-stick pan. I also used my grater. You want to get the turmeric nice and fine. Also, turmeric really stains your hands, so I use orange essential oil for my hands. And also, if you have marble countertops or white countertops, you can put the orange oil directly on that and wipe it off, and it comes right off. So that's a little bit of trick that I use. And then go ahead and spread your turmeric very flat on your pan. After spreading your turmeric on your pan, go ahead and set your oven to 200. I first set my timer to 10 minutes just so I can take it out of the oven, stir it up, just kind to mix it up so it can get dry on the other side. Then I put the turmeric back in the oven for 15 minutes. Depending on how much turmeric you use and depending on your oven, your timing is different. So you just want to get it nice and dry. I'm using a coffee grinder. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen to kind of pound up or get the turmeric nice and fine. In the middle of this video, my grinder stopped working, so I ended up using my Ninja that I make smoothies with, and it still came out really good. I hope you liked this video and share it with other people who just want to make turmeric that they can trust.